Market Insights recommends competitive lane rates using historic and anonymized data, allowing you to price confidently and boost profits. In order to maximize profitability, carriers must ensure that lane rates and other key metrics are aligned with and competitive in the market. Deadhead costs and fluctuating transit times add to this uncertainty, making it even more difficult to accurately evaluate lanes. Market Insights provides a view into key lane-level industry metrics, including lane rates. It is designed to remove pricing uncertainty by proposing specific lane rates based on anonymized market data, while also taking into account seasonality, transit time, and other rate fluctuations. Market Insights allows you to price lanes confidently by providing industry-sourced data you can use to craft competitive bids. Maximize company profits by identifying the most profitable lanes in your area. And dig into the data behind suggested prices to secure quantitative backing during negotiations and planning. Through its intuitive, user-friendly interface, you can easily view top-performing industry lanes, the freight entering and leaving an origin, and driver hours of service data, all of which can help you minimize deadhead, bobtail, and driver turnover. With industry-sourced data taking the guesswork out of pricing, you'll enjoy more competitive lane rates, increased revenue, and less stress for your team with Market Insights.